சந்தியா சத்சங் வணக்கம் நல்வரவு வாழ்த்துக்கள். We are all visiting to various centers, but after that 3 days or 5 days when the camp is over, we lose the track, and that's where the evening Sandhya Satsang, evening meeting is brought to us by Swami Ninath, because especially during the corona we all stuck up in the home, and because of this beautiful platform I was able to meditate. This is a great opportunity that we can meditate being at home, and that is really wonderful.